Mondays were made for rain. I get you together.
Hey, down, buddy.
Oh yeah? Yeah. It is what it is. Mondays are expected to be this way.
Right.
Tell ya. Wouldn't want this on a Friday, right?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, they're on there pretty tight. Had to break out the big guns.
Big bullets.
Yeah.
Done this once or twice?
First time, man.
Oh, yeah. If I had a jack, it cost me good. It'd take me 5 hours.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got over from Arizona visiting my uncle. He's pretty sick and
Oh, yeah?
came in and, all right, this morning, fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, I just moved from Phoenix not too long ago. What's that?
That's where we were.
Yeah?
Oh.
Pretty hot, huh?
Hottest day in March.
Yeah.
Next day, it's 60 degrees and raining.
Oh, yeah.
It
never rains in Phoenix.
But how the hell did you end up here?
Oh, man, I'm originally from Ohio.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's a different world down there, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
First time out there.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, huh?
Oh.
Mountains. Right.
But it's a lot easier to work in this weather than that weather.
Yeah. It has its pros and cons. Like your lug nuts were trying to swell.
Okay.
And is this a Chevy?
Toyota.
Toyota?
getting 2 new tires today.
I noticed it does it a lot on the Chevys.
Okay.
But might want to have them go all the way around, because if these lug nuts swell, you can't get the socket on there.
Okay.
You know.
Should I get new lug nuts?
Yeah, I would ask them in regards to a recommendation.
All right.
And go with whatever they say. You know, they're the pros. You know, so, but you don't want to get to a situation where the lug nuts swell up
Can't do it.
and you can't turn them, especially if you're like on the highway, you know.
Yeah. Why does that happen?
Yeah.
Just happen.
Yeah. I don't know why it happens for sure. You know, that would be a YouTube worthy thing. Yeah, that would be a YouTube thing. But you don't want them to swell up. Let me throw that in the trunk for you.
You got a Venmo? Because I don't have my cash is in my luggage.
There's your corporate.
That's it. I need
And,
it. Bald
yeah. I have a Square. I have a Square and Cash App. No, Square is you can swipe a card.
All right, I'll go.
Yeah.
Go get my card then.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you.
Coming out north.
Yeah.
I just got back from Arizona.
Yeah, I appreciate you. I only do it for the tips, baby. I do it for the tips. All right, get my little tip jug money. That ain't none of y'all's business. Holla.